chilled milk or milk from the mother?
Davey, the toilet's smoking! Come look at it!
Just slide it out.
Oh my gosh, our whole trailer is shaking.
You can find good in everything.
Zade, how come you were playing with Frankie's toy in the middle of the night?
Yes, you were. Dad and I.
Do you have any memory of that?
Was
Yes.
it his hand or his?
He was sitting up, right here,
Playing.
playing with Frankie's
Tiny
toy,
ball.
making noise in the middle of the night, and we said, Zade, sit down, and he just laid down, or said, lay down.
He just started playing with this,
You don't remember that?
and he was shaking it, and I was like,
It's like, why is he playing with that right now?
Oh wait, no.
Do you remember?
Was
trying to go to the bathroom or what?
You never went to
was
the bathroom, you just laid back down.
trying to like. I remember I was trying to like put my hoodie there or something. No, like,
Yeah,
I was,
your hoodie was
I
on it.
awake during this. I remember this. now.
Okay, that's good. We're not playing with baby toys. Da, da, da. Frankie did really good last night. First
Slept
time
the same as he
camping.
does at home.
Yep, slept just fine. Huh? How buddy? You trying to get my arm? That means he can come camping again, right?
Well, we still have one more
Oh,
night.
we got one more night. Okay, you gotta prove yourself. Oh, the kitty. The girls slept in the other room. We had some few issues going on. We had some things happen with the fuses in here, but I bought these handy dandy lights. These are cool. Look at this. The shower didn't have a light. Boom, stuck one in here. Little battery. Swipe up. Like a kiosk. I would buy that in a second. I should have bought those a long time ago. I'm gonna buy 5 more. Be one for the closet. Oh my goodness. Okay, it is warm in here. Holy cow. Turn that off. It's like 90 degrees in here. It's like 90 degrees in here.
No, it's cold.
How'd you guys sleep?
Terrible.
Why?
Because this bed is so hard, and Evie kept on kicking me all night.
Evie, kicking them? You kicking them? We should bring some extra mats for this bed. You know, those memory foams. Do you think that would help a bit?
Feels like I'm sleeping on a rock.
Okay, so we learned some things. That's good.
Cereal, would you like, sir? This is Fruity Pebbles. It's a great year. Yes, no? Chilled milk or milk from the mother? What?
What did he choose?
Which one? Chilled milk or milk chilled? Okay. I got it. You're welcome.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm gonna move the table with the Polaris.
Oh.
It's cold though.
You're about to run over some paint and stuff too.
I'm gonna go back.
Oh. Ella! We're trying to move this table over here. Hook the winch up to it in reverse. Hook the winch up to it. Probably don't even have to move the Polaris, just turn on the winch. I had a winch once. Ho, ho, ho! Huzzah! Oh.
Here, come do this.
There it is, right there. That's great. Thousands of pounds? I don't think so, Davey. I bet this weighs 600 pounds. 800 pounds maybe, but not thousands. Okay, that was awesome. Yeah, I like that spot for it better. And then in the evening we have shade. Then when we ever take that canopy out, just kidding, that canopy, we bought this thing with it broken, look. We've never been able to successfully pull it out because this thing, we bought a bunch of parts trying to fix it, didn't end up being the right ones, so. And we've been watching so much Dwight in Shining Armor that we're starting to talk like Renaissance people.
Is that what Wench made you think of?
Yes, and huzzah!
Huzzah!
The kids are even saying it. It's so funny.
Come over
We
here,
love-
peasant!
Peasant or forward peasant.
We got a peasant school today.
Okay, here we go. Davey, the toilet's smoking. Come look at it.
Neil, stop it.
Look, honey, it's smoking.
It's like it's smoking.
Get it?
That was good. That was worth it.
Did I get you?
So good. High five.
Have you seen that before? No, you haven't. Did you really think that was rock? Oh. Toilet smoking. Evie, did you see the toilet smoking?
No.
Actually, I knew nothing was wrong because if you were actually freaking out.
I wouldn't be vlogging.
Cigarette.
I thought of that all by myself from a TikTok.
What the garbage?
Alright, it's still the wee hours of the morning, but who was asking? Ella was just asking me to go for a run, so I'm glad we're going to do something. She wanted to go on an adventure. Noodle, you getting a little restless? Puts on his cute face. And Evie didn't bring a jacket, so she gets to wear mine. Looks like a big square walking. Oh, that's the chair that got eaten by a bear?
Show you where it is.
Oh.
It's a cherry in my bear.
A cherry eaten by a bear?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness,
If you
that's
want to
creepy.
touch it, if you want to touch it, you're going to die. Well, only if you touch the white spot, you'll die.
Oh, I'm not touching that. I don't want to die.
Two chairs eaten by two bears. There's
Yeah.
another one back there.
Evie, are we on the right path?
Yeah.
Oh, here's a big step up. Should I climb up there first? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was my bad ankle.
Okay, that was the bad ankle. Hello, puppy. She's half mountain goat. Of all we all love it out here, but I think Ella loves it the most. Jumping out the window before we even pulled up. Oh. Okay, now we go back up the rock. I see a Zade.
Oh.
In the wild. Evie, how much do you like rock climbing?
This.
That much?
Yeah.
She just keeps shouting, it's fun rock climbing, it's fun rock climbing. Sun's finally coming out.
Be careful.
Okay, Evie, let me help you.
Jump up that ledge.
Let me help you.
She's feeling invincible.
Look, Ambree made it. Doing a little light reading, and now she's out and about. No motorcycles for you yet?
Nope.
Nope.
Down, Daisy,
Alright.
get back. We should go.
Go on a ride?
Yeah.
We got Daisy and Ender riding some bikes. April's up here with Frankie Noodle. These rocks are our favorite thing to do out here. So fun. Endless climbing. Amber, you take care of that Evie, okay?
Okay.
Alright. April went for a ride. How's the hog? No, it's not how you turn it off. On the button.
Guys, this is Evie's first time riding a motorcycle.
Riding a bike even. I'm going to teach you how to balance. I'm going to teach you a look up. Okay, get on and balance.
No.
I'm going to show the camera how we did the balance.
Help me.
Yeah, I'll help you. Get on. Tip. Good. Okay, go for it, Evie.
Evie's driving this. Mom's just holding on. Hey guys, that was amazing.
What foot do you put down? Good
Evie, that
job.
was amazing.
Okay, do you want to try it all by yourself?
No.
Okay, good idea.
myself.
You can't? Okay. Okay, Evie controls it.
Oh, no, Evie's driving.
Stop. Ender, we got it. Evie, the other thing I forgot to tell you is how to... It's okay, listen, that was good. You just forgot to turn. You gotta go like this to turn. We forgot to teach you how to turn. Silly mommy. Ender, bring it back to the road. We'll teach her how to turn. That was good, Evie. It's like, there's something important I'm forgetting here. She's doing good though. Okay, Evie, come here. We're gonna teach you how to turn. If you wanna turn, look, Ender, show her how.
If you want to turn, you gotta do this. So if I want it,
If you turn the handlebars this way, you go to the right. If you turn it the other way, you go to the left. See?
I will go off the gas.
Let's just practice going straight, okay? On the road. Okay, go get on the bike with Ender and you can just go straight this way.
Evie knows how to ride a motorcycle. Wait, Evie knows how to ride a motorcycle.
What?
Evie knows how to ride a motorcycle.
Yeah, right.
I got proof!
Yeah, we got proof.
Hey, ride it.
Ender's gonna go with her. Ender rides with her.
Yeah, she likes grass. That's how I make
Like he's on it?
Yeah,
Oh.
she's in control and she balances. He just sits there.
Why does she need Ender?
Well, she doesn't know how to turn and so she just went into the weeds, but they didn't fall down.
Good job, Evie. Was that fun?
She just needs more confidence.
Let's see.
But I already rode my motorcycle.
Okay, Ender, turn it around. Turn it around, Ender. Show Daddy how to do it.
Pull the gas. I'm gonna support you. I'm coming with you.
Daddy's gonna run with you.
Okay, go.
Okay, if she's scared, then we're... I guess I ride this one.
Okay, we got a tooth that's very close to coming out.
Hold on, don't move away.
You gotta wrap it around. I don't think it's ready yet.
It is. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, pull them. 1, 2, 3.
Let me do it.
Oh, okay, pull hard. Wrap your fingers around it.
What?
And then
The
pop and pull at the same time. Oh,
1,
that's fine. I'll catch it.
2, 3. You gotta do
You have to
hard
pop and
in one
pull.
motion. 1,
Do it.
2, 3.
Down.
Okay, it's not
Okay,
ready.
it's
Not
not
ready.
ready.
Not ready.
And it's bleeding.
It's fine.
I can't get it out now.
Just slide it out.
Wait, where is
It's
it?
out.
It's right here. Mom. I want to see.
It's out. I told you it was ready.
So weird. No. I told you, Ender.
Oh, and all I
It
want
feels
for
so weird.
Christmas is my
Blood.
tooth. Front tooth.
Okay, bite. Bite. Oh.
Crap, how's the tooth fairy gonna know you're out here?
What happened?
That I just put this under
You put it
the
under the couch
cushion.
cushion.
today, and when I looked at it after I brushed my teeth, $5 was there instead
The
of my
tooth
tooth.
fairy came in the day that never happens.
One time it did. It's my
Maybe
friend.
it's because it's your first front tooth. It was waiting for it. It was probably here because it was ready to come out, just sitting there waiting for you to pop it out. Cool. Now you have $5. Feels like there's a big hole in your mouth, huh? Come here. Get close. Look at that. Look at that.
that's gonna be a nice big spot for a big tooth to come in. You know the tooth that grows in there is gonna be your permanent tooth? You're gonna have it until you're 100 years old, hopefully.
Okay.
It's gonna be, look at Zade's teeth. It's gonna be the same size as his front tooth. Show him. Yeah, show him.
Look at your teeth.
No, you're a boy. Show him. Zade's are huge. Big teeth are good though. I'm a big fan of big teeth. Alright, Zade. What you reading?
Book.
Oh, who taught you how to read?
Okay, one of our kids' the favorite thing to do out here amongst all the rock climbing and everything is take a trip to the Big G. It's the only thing here. Oh, let's get them. Okay, Ambree, calm down.
No.
Hey, knocking boots.
These are what Mom likes.
Hey, Dad.
Mom likes the circus peanuts, I know, but they're nasty. Nasty. They're not good, right?
They have milk. They have milk here.
Okay. What do you see? No, we're not buying more cereal. Zero chance we're buying more. We have so much cereal in the vehicle. No, we have so much cereal, Lehi. You got your donuts. Oh my. Ender's got his tooth. Did you tell the camera what the tooth fairy did?
Oh. I just set this under the couch cushion in our camper, and then I forgot to brush my teeth, and I went. And then when I went back and checked on it,
just in the time you brushed your teeth, the tooth fairy snuck in and left you some money.
And Mom and Dave were sitting on the couch.
What? That's crazy. And Daisy, it turns out she's allergic to motorcycles. She has an allergic reaction. I'm sorry, Daisy. All right, who had fun at the Big G?
Who's gonna eat Zade's ice cream?
April. Okay, we went on a little adventure. We came to a dead end at the bottom of the mountain and we're in a riverbed, so here you are. Daisy is having a great time.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Baby's asleep, right? I knew it. Alright, look at this. Okay, we're next stop, the Muddy River. A river runs through it.
Okay.
Look at that. Beautimus. Beauty. Middle. Okay, Zade has said he's entering the water. We've got a good place to enter. This is a horrible place to enter. Watch out for these pokies. Okay, go in there.
I'm gonna go under this thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down.
Okay, good luck. I bet it's really warm.
Oh, it's gonna be ice water.
It's
gonna bite my toes off.
It's melting,
No,
melted
nothing will
snow.
bite you. There might be leeches, but...
Okay. I don't really like the thought of leeches.
Well, people pay big money to have leeches suck their poison out of their body.
Like 1,000% sure that those things are leeches.
Why'd you say leeches, April?
Just debug it. There's no leeches.
That we know of. Okay, go.
Hold on,
How's the water? Ice cold?
look at that mud though.
It's raining now.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, Zade is now, what is it, the plan? Just to get across? Okay. I'm not coming in after you, so don't get sucked under. Is it cold?
Yeah.
It's melting snow. Ender, are you sad you're not in there?
Being on gravel makes me feel safe.
You're on gravel now?
No leeches. No weird stuff hiding in the mud.
They go to the other side.
He's gonna make it.
These are like not even that bad.
These kids, I don't want to leave the camper. Then we go on an adventure. They're all having fun now. Well, at least Zade is. Oh.
Water shoes, golden.
Yeah. Should we go back to the camper, EB?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
No.
Okay, Ella got wet and then laid in the dirt, so that's good. I feel like I should just throw her in the water now.
No.
She's already wet.
Put her in the baby river.
Ella, come here. Come on. Okay, stay down. No, stay down. You're not coming up. Stay down. Nope, I'm not letting you come up. You're just going to stay on the ground.
Oh my gosh, there's a storm that's blowing so hard. Oh my gosh, our whole trailer is shaking.
Where's Dad?
I don't know.
We got here just in time. We just barely got out.
He probably went out to look for you guys.
Here, Mom, hold him.
Oh, there he is. Oh my gosh, he was on the rocks with Evie.
Holy crap. Hold the door open. Our whole trailer shook.
Close it.
You guys are just in time. No. Yeah, Dad, what are you doing?
I'll be in a sec. I gotta secure some.
Holy crap.
No fire tonight.
Play and shake. We can microwave marshmallows.
And microwave popcorn.
Alright, I had to retrieve a lot of things.
Tornado.
Oh, we are.
And Dad, on Insanity Hill, when I was going up, the same thing happened to me as to you.
You got
Up on that left trail that we usually go up, there's kind of like a ridge that like ends that area of the trail.
Yeah.
The tire was like sideways on top of that, about to roll down into those rocks, and I was like, and I started it and went up. It was scary.
You guys, it's crazy out there. I had to chase a bunch of things down and secure things and put things away, and I guess we're gonna find out if my rain sealing worked, because we're getting plenty of rain. See if it starts coming through the ceilings or not, but so far so good. I got a lot of dirt in my eyes right now.
As long as you're pretty confident
Wash these
that
out
you did a
again.
good job sealing it up.
No, there's still holes,
Didn't the
but
forecast
it should be good enough. What?
Didn't the forecast say December?
The forecast said perfect. I don't think weather knows anything. I think all weathermen do not know what they're talking about.
Weather today was great though. Maybe look at the forecast.
No, all weekend. Yeah. Yeah, this is a way strong storm though. Probably the worst one we've had out here, but the camper is literally wobbling back and forth when these big gusts of wind come in. I'm just thankful we're not in a tent right now. That would be really bad. Or really bad.
It was like this when I went, yeah.
Remember Huntsville, or where'd we go? That Huntsville Lake?
No, it was Flaming Gorge.
No, with my siblings. Remember that storm that came in? Was it Huntsville Lake or something?
I think so.
Yeah, we got a
Oh,
bad
yeah,
storm. We were out on the water.
No, it's Huntington.
Huntington Lake.
And Dad, I'm a young men's camp at Flaming Gorge. The tent we had, I woke up in the middle of the night and it was flat down on top of us. So that's how strong the wind was. It was ridiculous.
Kids are watching for lightning. You guys, you gotta see this rainbow. No, I don't know. It's muddy, but look at it. Look at this thing. Look at this.
There's a pot of gold right
Pot of gold. Yeah, it's a bright sunset.
Ambree, or Evie, look at this rainbow.
Evie just had a bath. She's super sad, but let's just take a minute
Rainbow.
and look at
I
this.
don't think I've ever seen a rainbow this bright.
That's so perfect. Yeah, the sun is just coming out.
There's a thinner one around.
Got Daisy out there with this giant. Holy cow, this rainbow is amazing. Okay, you ready to come back in? Hold on,
I
hold
just had
this.
the coolest photo idea.
I have never seen anything like
It's
this.
so crazy. The camera does not even give it to us.
Like normally on cameras they don't show up very good, but it's
Showing up
like,
pretty good.
oh wow, it's
It's
okay.
fine. It's fine. It's
It's
fine.
fine. It's fine.
Okay guys, that was crazy. That rainstorm actually turned into a rainstorm of our life. There was lightning, thunder, lots of things were happening in here.
Zade said a prayer and it stopped.
Zade said a prayer. Well, the lightning and thunder still kept happening in here.
Oh.
Things got crazy. Babies were crying. Everybody's crying. Anyways,
Baby got a bath and
we're gonna. Things are calm now. This is the rainbow you're looking at. It's the rainbow. Ah, it's so nice. We're gonna end the vlog now. Thank you for watching, and find good and everything. And we're gonna watch some Dwight and. All right. Okay. See you guys tomorrow.